Greetings! In PowerPoint, when you apply an animation to an object, it plays only once by default. To repeat an animation effect, go to the Animation tab. From the Advanced Animation group, open the Animation Pane. Click the small arrow and select Timing. Use the Repeat drop-down to set the number of repetitions, or select until next click or end of slide. Run the slideshow to view the animation effects. The animations will repeat based on the selected settings.